Did you know that some mistakes can wake the dead? In Moonlight Village, where ancient traditions keep dark secrets buried, Master Lu learned this truth the hard way. For 300 years, the river ritual had protected the village. Every harvest celebration, lotus flowers were released at dawn, floating downstream to keep the shadow folk sleeping in the depths. These were villagers from long ago, banished for practicing forbidden magic. But this year, a clumsy apprentice made a terrible mistake. Instead of dawn, he released the flowers at midnight during the new moon. The ritual reversed, and the shadows awakened. One by one, the shadow folk began replacing villagers. They looked the same, but felt cold, empty of memories and warmth. Master Lu knew he had to gather the lotus flowers from downstream and bring them back to reverse the curse. But as he raced against time, he discovered something disturbing. Some families actually preferred their shadow replacements. These false relatives were kinder, more agreeable than the real ones. Now Master Lu faced an impossible choice. Should he save a village that might not want to be saved,